Once again, welcome back in this chapter where I will solve 11 to 20 all questions by the same process. Only I will give you the hints, and after getting the help of the hints, you will solve all questions. All questions are very easy for you. Now see question number 11. The cost of 3 hole 1 by 2 meter of cloths is rupees 166 whole 1 by 4. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloths? Here we have to divide. The cost of 3 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth is rupees 166 whole 1 by 4. So the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to what? Here 160 whole by divided by 3 whole 1 by 2 meter. When we will solve it, we get the answer of 1 meter of cloth. These mixed fractions will change into improper fraction. 3 to the 6 1 7 into 2 by 7. Here division, the divide sign will change into multiplication, and this fraction is will be written as reciprocal of this one. So 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 is changed here and into 2 by 7. So we will get the answer. From here it's a very simple and you will do it. In question number 12, the length of 70 whole a cord of length 71 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth, 71 whole 1 by 2 meter has been cut into 26 pieces of equal length. The cord has to be cut in 26 equal length. Very simple, it will be divided by 26. What is the length of each piece? The length of each piece is equal to 71 whole 1 by 2 meter divided by 26. If you do so, you will get the answer. But here I will solve it. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 and 7 2 ja 40. Meter is divided by 26 by 1. Then 143 by 2 into 1 by 26. And from here you will have to complete it. In question number 13, the area of a room is 65 whole 1 by 4 meter square. Area is given. If its breadth is 5 whole 7 by 16 meter, what is the length? What is its length? Length of a rectangle is equal to area divided by breadth. Area is given 65 whole 1 by 4 meter square divided by 5 whole 7 by 16 meters. So these mixed fractions will change into improper fraction, and the division sign will change into multiplications, and this rational number will be right in the reciprocal, or you say these fractions will be right in the reciprocal. So 87 by 16 here will write into 16 by 87, and you will solve it. From here you will have to cancel and getting the, it means from here you have to simplify it and you will get the answer. Number 14. The product of two rational number is 9 whole 3 by 5. If one of the fraction is 9 whole 3 by 7, find the other. Let the other number be x. So the value of x is equal to product is divided by the given number. 9 whole 3 by 5 is divided by 9 whole 3 by 7. Here, from here you will solve. So you will get the other number, and this one the product of these numbers, and the given number is here, and when you solve it you will get the answer. In question number 15, in a school 5 by 8 of our students are boys. If there are 240 girls, find the number of boys in the school. Let the total number of students is equal to x. Here, number of boys is equal to 5 by 8. So this one the 5x by 8. Number of girls is equal to 3 by, so number of girls is equal to x minus 5 by 8. 8x minus 5x is equal to 3x by 8. According to question, 3x by 8 is equal to 240. So value of x is equal to 240 into 8 by 3. 3 8s are, so 640 total students. Here total students. Number of boys is equal to 640 minus 240 is equal to 400. This one the, because number of girls is given, 240 is number of girls are given, and when we subtracted total strength minus number of girls, we will get the value of number of boys. Number 16. After reading 7 by 9 of a book, 40 pages are left. Here 7 by 9 after reading, it means rest rest pages rest pages of book is 1 minus 7 by 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 by 9. This 2 by 9 pages is left. So total pages of book is equal to 2 by 9, x is equal to 40. So the value of x is equal to 40 into 9 by 2 is 120 and 180. Total pages of the books is 180. You may write it, let the total number of pages be x, and then here x minus 7 by 9x, that time take the LCM, 9x minus 7x, do with the process, that time 2x by 9, and from here you can solve it. Okay, so this process you can do, and in your next classes all questions will depend on this same process. This one, the question number 16. Question number 17. Rita had rupees 300. She spent 1 by 3 of money on notebook and 1 by 4 of the remainder on a stationery item. How much money is left with her? Rita had rupees 300. So, notebook. On notebook, she spends 300 of 1 by 3. It means 100 rupees she spent on notebook and 1 by 4th of the remainder. Remainder is equal to 300 minus 100 is equal to rupees 200, and she purchased 1 by 4th. So on a stationery item, rupees 200 of 1 by 4, 50 rupees. She purchased a stationery item for rupees 50. So the left amount she has, left amount is equal to 300 minus 100 plus 50. 300 minus 150, she has left only rupees 150. This one the solutions. Question number 18. Amit earns rupees 32,000 per month. Amit's income is equal to rupees 32,000. He spends 1 by 4th of his income on food. Expense on food is equal to 32,000 of 1 by 4. So 8,000 rupees he expends on food. 3 by 10th of the remainder. Remainder Remainder amount is equal to 32,000 minus 8,000. 12 minus 8 for 24,000. This one the remainder. Next, 3 by 10 of the remainder on house rent. House rent. His expense on house rent is equal to 24,000 of 3 by 10. 7,200 rupees he expense on house rent, and 5 by 20 of remainder on the education children. Again, remaining amount is equal to 24,000 minus 7,200. 0, 0, 10 minus 2, 8, and 13 minus 7, 6. This one 16,800. This one the remaining amount and expense on education of children. Expense on the education of children is equal to 16,800 of 5 by 21. Twenty-one eights are 168, and 800 into 5 we will get the simplification. When we multiplied it 800 into 5 we will get 4,000. How much money is still left with him? So the remaining amount is 16,800 minus 4,000. 12,800. The remaining amount which he has left is rupees 12,800. This one the answer. Number 19. If 3 by 5 of a number exceeds it means 2 added. So 2 by 7 by 44. Find the number. Let the number be x. So 3 by 5, it means 3x by 5 is equal to plus 44, or you may write 44 plus 2x by. Here this one the transpose, so 3x by 5 minus 2x by 7, we will get 44. Take the LCM. 35, 5 7 ja 21x, and 7 5 ja, here 2x is equal to 44. 11x by 35 is equal to 44. Therefore, x is equal to 44 into 35 by 11. 11 fours are, and the answer is 140. This one the answer. And last question. At a cricket test match, 2 by 7 of our spectators were in the covered place, while 15,000 were in open. Find the total number of the spectators. Like these questions, previous questions I have solved. 2 by 7. It means the total number of spectators be x. Let the total number of bx x minus 2x by 7. 7x minus 2x is equal to 5x by 7. According to question, 2 by 7, part of 2 by 7 spectators is in covered place, and 5x by 7 is in open. They set in open place. So 5x by 7 is equal to 15,000. Find the value of the x. 15,000 into 7 by 5. 5 3 ja. So the total number of the spectators is, thus the total number of spectators are 21,000. Hence your chapter is completed, and after completing this chapter you yourself have to solve one each. All these are MCQ, and this one the part of your examinations, so don't left it. And in one each, wherever you have a problem, you may write down the related questions in comment box. I will solve it. Hope you will do so. Till have a nice day. Thank you.